Are you tired of this annoying sharing panel popping up every time you drag a file to the top of your screen in Windows 11? It's called the drag tray. And while Microsoft designed it to make sharing easier, it usually just blocks your browser tabs and messes up your desktop organization. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the drag tray in Windows 11 permanently. The process is incredibly simple. First, open your Windows 11 settings. You can do this by searching in the Start menu or pressing the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you are in Settings, make sure you are on the System tab on the left-hand side. Now, scroll down on the right side until you find the option called Nearby Sharing. Click on it. At the top of this page, look for the setting that says Drag the Tray. All you have to do is flip this switch to off. That's it. The settings are applied immediately. If you try to drag a file to the top of the screen right now, that annoying share panel will no longer interrupt you. Now, what if you don't see the drag the tray option in your settings? Don't panic. This feature to turn it off was officially added in a recent update. Simply go to Windows Update on the left menu, click Check for Updates, and make sure you install all pending cumulative updates, specifically the KB5070311 patch from December 2025. Once your PC restarts, the option will be there. If this quick tutorial helped you regain control of your drag and drop feature, please drop a like on this video to help it reach others, and let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Subscribe to the channel for more straight to the point Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.